in walleye fishing, everybody knows that the night crawler is probably one of the deadliest and most popular live baits that's out there. The issue that you always run into with live bait is that, especially a crawler, is that everything else that swims in that body of water likes to eat them. So what that does, especially if you're trolling, is it causes you to lose confidence about what your presentation is down there. You're always second guessing yourself whether that crawler is still intact. And for me, it's that little piece on the end that really draws the strikes in, but that's also what draws in the other fish that are going to swipe and ruin your presentation. So with the SR Crawler, not only do I have the ability to be a lot more efficient on the water, I also have the ability to match the hatch. So whatever it is that those fish are feeding on, now with the option of a variety of different colors to match watercolor, or once again whatever those fish are feeding on, now this is basically like a night crawler on steroids for me. I have so many other options that I can do with the SR Crawler.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.